Number 5. Freelance web and app development. You don't need to be a Silicon Valley coder to make money building websites or apps anymore. In 2026, the game has changed. Low-code platforms like Wix, Webflow, and Bubble have made it easier for anyone with creativity and curiosity to design professional sites in days, not months. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick your niche. Maybe you love working with restaurants that need online menus, coaches who want sleek landing pages, or small shops trying to take their business digital. Focusing on one niche helps you master their style and needs, and that's what clients pay for. Step 2. Create a demo project. Build one clean example site, something that shows your design sense, your eye for detail, and how smooth your platform feels. This demo becomes your portfolio, your silent salesperson. Then comes step 3. Start charging per project. For a small business website, you can easily make between $300 to $1,000 depending on the size and features. Add in a few custom tweaks, like an online booking form or a chat button, and clients will see even more value. And here's the smart move most beginners miss. Offer a monthly maintenance package. Businesses hate dealing with tech issues, so if you say, "I'll keep your site updated and running for $50 a month," most will say yes. That means recurring income, money that keeps flowing while you focus on your next project. You could even scale this by hiring a few other freelancers, a graphic designer here, a copywriter there, and suddenly, you're not just building websites, you're running a mini digital agency from your laptop. So if you've ever built something on a drag-and-drop site and thought, "That was kind of fun," that's your sign. Turn that fun into profit, because in 2026, the internet still needs builders, and they don't all have to code. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.